Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I will be your doctor and I will be your patient at the same time, okay? Can you confirm your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Muhammad and my candidate number is 333.
All right. Did you read the scenario outside?
Yes.
All right. This is your patient. You can proceed.
Hello, my name is Muhammad. I'm one of the surgical doctor working here. May I confirm your name and age, please?
Hi, my name is John. I'm 58-year-old.
Nice to meet you, Mr. John. Now, Mr. John, I would like to examine your hip joints. The examination includes looking, feeling, and do some special tests. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So I need you to expose your both hips, and I will keep your dignity private.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. You expose my hips now.
Yeah. Okay. Do you need any chaperone to attend this examination?
No.
Do you have any pain right now?
Yeah, I have pain on my right hip. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So now I would like you to stand here, please.
Okay.
We'll start by taking a look in front.
Yeah.
I will come from this side.
Yeah.
Mr. John. Okay, Mr. John. Now I would like to take a look from this side. Perfect. Now I would like to take a look from behind, Mr. John.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Now, Mr. Perfect. Now, Mr. John, I need you to pin your knee like this while I would like to support you while doing this.
Okay.
Okay, the other leg, please.
Yeah.
Perfect. Excellent. Using walking aids.
No.
Could you please walk until the end of the room and come back? I will be beside you in case if you need me.
Okay.
All right, go please.
Yeah.
Come back, please. Excellent.
Okay.
Now sit, please. Mr. John, could you please lay down?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That's fine. So you said to me that you have a pain in your right hip.
Yeah, it's here. Yeah.
So I will be very gentle, but if you feel any pain, please stop me.
Fine.
Mr. John, I would like to take the temperature.
Yeah.
Before I start, do you have any pain?
Yeah, I have some pain here on the right side, doctor.
Okay, I will be very gentle on this side, alright?
Okay.
Okay, checking the left side. Perfect, Mr. John. Okay, perfect. Perfect, okay. Now I would like to feel your hip joint.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will be gentle. I would like to touch this above private area.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Here, you said you have a pain here.
Yeah.
I will be very gentle. Okay, I'll touch you here again. Okay.
Ideally on the examination, you should expose your patient.
Okay, Mr. John. Now, I would like to do some measurement.
Okay.
This is the tape, Mr. John. I will do some measurements.
Okay.
All right. So this is umbilicus. The medial modulus. Perfect. The medial modulus. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Now, on the right side, here's a big iliac spine. The medial modulus. Perfect. Yeah. And here's a big iliac spine. So the medial modulus. Yes, Mr. John. Excellent, Mr. John. Mr. John, could you please raise your left leg to this point, please?
Yeah.
Excellent. Relax. The right leg.
Yeah.
Excellent. Relax. Thank you. Let us expect that you have a discrepancy. Okay, Mr. John, could you please bend your both knees together?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it together, please. Bend it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. Now relax, please.
Okay.
So, Mr. John, I need you to do some movements.
Yeah.
Could you please pin your hip joint toward your chest, please? Excellent. Relax it.
Yeah. Okay.
The right one, please. Perfect. Relax. Now, could you please move your right leg to the left, to a lateral side, please? Here, toward my hand.
Okay.
Excellent. Here, toward my hand. Here. Okay. The left leg.
Okay.
Excellent. Here, move it. Okay, excellent. I would like to do a extension of the hip, but I think I should leave it at the end because I need to ask the patient to turn around.
Okay, that's fine. You can. do that.
Okay, so I will now relax, Mr. John. I will do all the movement, all right?
Okay.
Okay, relax, please.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Look at the internal rotation, external rotation. Perfect. Other legs, please. Yeah. Perfect. Internal rotation, external rotation. Perfect. Okay. Now, Mr. John, I would like to do special test.
Yeah, that's fine.
I will put my hand behind your back.
Yeah.
And I will ask you to bend your right leg and left leg.
Okay, fine.
But separately, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me, yes. Now, bend your right leg, please. Bend the left leg, please.
Yeah.
The left leg, please. The first.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Relax. Bend the right leg.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Excellent, Mr. John. Now, Mr. John, could you please put your right heel in the left? Put your left heel, sorry, in the right ankle, in the right knee joint. Yeah, here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
excellent. I will push your knee joint downward. If you feel any pain or discomfort, please let me know.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
excellent. The other leg, please.
Same.
Yes.
Okay.
I will push here downward. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay, excellent. Okay, Mr. John, I would like to examine your hip joint, the movement extension. Could you please lay on your stomach?
Yeah, that's fine, doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need to help you?
No, that's fine. I
Okay,
can do
perfect. Excellent. Relax, Mr. John.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Other leg, please. Relax. Excellent. Now, you can lay on your back. Mr. John, we have reached to our end of examination. You have been so cooperative. Do you need me to help you redress?
No, that's fine, doctor.
Okay, so I will discuss this examination with my consultant and I will update you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hey, doctor, can you present your patient, please?
Of course, I did a clinical examination on Mr. John, a 58 years old, who presented with a pain in his right hip joint. And on examination, patient has a tenderness on the right side, antalgic gait, and decreased range of motion on the right side.
Okay, doctor, what's your main differential diagnosis?
So my main diagnosis is osteoarthritis.
Okay.
It could be
what is your differentials?
yes, it could be missed fracture neck of the femur,
Okay.
and it could be gout. It could be pseudo-gout as well.
Okay, doctor, how will you investigate your patient?
So before the investigation, I would like to complete my examination by examining the joint above, the spine, and and joint below, the knee joint as well.
Yeah.
And then I will request an X-ray, anterior-posterior hip joint X-ray and lateral view. And I will request as well spine X-ray and knee joint X-ray and MRI if needed.
Okay. And what's your... Okay, if this case is osteoarthritis, how would you manage it?
I will discuss the management with my consultant first. Then I will consider conservative management, giving the patient analgesia for the pain, and rest and physiotherapy and follow up. Regarding and as well intra-articular steroid injection. Regarding the surgical treatment, I will consider arthroscopy, and if needed, I will consider total hip replacement.
This is the end of the station. You can proceed to the next station.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, doctor, one of your differential was neck of femur fracture.
Yes.
And you said this is not the diagnosis, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why is that from the examination?
Because patient is able to do straight leg raise.
Okay.